Okay, Holistic Travel Guy here in sunny Florida, and we're in a line to get COVID-19 testing, and the line just started moving. I've been here about half an hour, about 100 cars in front of me, and the line just started moving. We're all on our way forward towards the testing site, which is over there near the tents, under the tents. And this site is supposedly has 1,200 test kits per day available, one of the largest numbers available in the area. Morning Dove just flew right in front of the car right there. There he goes again. And there's the testing site right there. So I'm optimistic I'm going to get in today. This test is required for work. I have no symptoms of COVID-19. Haven't been out in public in any gatherings except for the occasional trip to the grocery store. And we'll do another clip when we get a little closer to the actual testing station. Oh, good, they do have porta potties over there. I can go to the bathroom if I need to pee. Okay, see you over at the testing station.